Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio, where we blend creativity with sustainability. In this video, we'll explore innovative wood projects that not only enhance your living space but also nurture our planet. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, these sustainable ideas are designed to inspire you. Join us as we craft with intention, using eco-friendly materials and practices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting woodworking content. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of sustainable woodworking. We'll explore innovative projects that not only beautify your home but also respect our environment. Are you ready to craft with intention? Let's get started. Project Idea 1, The Importance of Sustainable Woodworking. Before we jump into our projects, let's talk about why sustainable woodworking is so crucial. Did you know that conventional woodworking can significantly harm our forests and environments? Unsustainable practices lead to deforestation and habitat loss. However, when we choose to craft with intention and use sustainable wood, we're not just creating beautiful pieces. We're contributing to a healthier planet. By opting for reclaimed wood or ethically sourced materials, we reduce waste and lessen our ecological footprint. How amazing is that? Project Idea 2, Embracing Reclaimed Wood. Let's jump into our first project concept. Creating beautiful pieces from reclaimed wood. This approach not only showcases your creativity but also champions sustainability. Start by gathering reclaimed lumber from local salvage yards or demolition sites. Each piece holds unique character and history, adding depth to your work. Next, measure the area where you plan to place your creation. Once you have those measurements, cut the wood accordingly. Don't worry about imperfections, scars and rough edges can tell an enchanting story. After cutting, it's essential to sand the wood. This process smooths out rough edges and prepares the surface for finishing, ensuring safety and comfort in handling. Once you've sanded the wood, it's time for application. Use natural oils or eco-friendly stains to protect the wood while enhancing its natural beauty. These finishes allow the grain to shine through, making each piece unique. Finally, assemble or mount your project securely in place. The finished product becomes not just a functional item but also a stunning reflection of your commitment to sustainability and artistry. This project concept is a perfect reminder that crafting with intention can blend aesthetic appeal with environmental mindfulness, creating functional art that contributes positively to our world. Happy crafting! Project Idea 2, Creating Wooden Planter Boxes. Now, let's explore a delightful project concept, crafting wooden planter boxes. These versatile pieces are perfect for bringing a slice of nature indoors, creating your very own mini garden. Start by gathering some scrap wood along with essential tools. The first step is to cut the wood into the desired dimensions for your planter. Keep in mind that a well-designed planter should allow for proper drainage, so it's important to incorporate holes at the bottom. Once the initial assembly is complete, you can personalize your planter by experimenting with different shapes and sizes. Next, sand the edges to ensure a smooth finish, making it safe for both you and your plants. When it's time to introduce some greenery, opt for native plants or herbs that thrive in your local climate. These choices not only enhance the beauty of your space but also encourage local biodiversity. This project fosters mindfulness as you nurture your plants, connecting you with nature right at home. Plus, it's an excellent way to add life and vibrancy to your living area. In essence, Creating wooden planter boxes is a wonderful opportunity to embrace sustainability, beautify your home, and cultivate a deeper connection with the environment. Project Idea 3: Crafting Wooden Coasters. Next, let's explore the charming project of creating wooden coasters. These functional pieces are not only great for protecting your surfaces but also showcase your woodworking skills in a stylish way. To begin, gather some hardwood scraps that you can repurpose. The first step is to cut your wood into circular or square shapes, depending on your preferred design. After cutting, take the time to sand the edges thoroughly. This step ensures a smooth surface that's comfortable for use and safe for your guests. Now comes the fun part, getting creative. You can choose to leave the coasters natural, or apply a non-toxic finish that enhances the wood's beauty. Consider adding your personal touch by engraving unique designs or patterns to make each piece truly stand out. Crafting wooden coasters is an excellent way to recycle scraps while producing functional art for your home or thoughtful gifts for friends. They serve as a testament to your creativity and sustainability, combining practicality with artistic expression. Embrace the joy of crafting with this simple yet elegant project, and elevate your space with these eye-catching coasters. Project Idea 4: Crafting a Unique Furniture Piece. Let's dive into an exciting project, creating a unique furniture piece that serves as a functional centerpiece in any room, sparking conversation and admiration. Start by selecting your materials. Choose components that resonate with your vision and values, prioritizing sustainability and distinctive character. It's essential to consider the dimensions that best fit your available space and enhance your overall decor. Once you have your materials ready, cut them to the desired dimensions and begin assembling the structure. Use straightforward techniques that ensure stability and durability, making the building process both accessible and enjoyable. Don't forget to sand the surfaces thoroughly to achieve a smooth finish, which not only improves aesthetics but also ensures a comfortable touch. After your piece is assembled, apply a protective finish to enhance its longevity and aesthetic appeal. This final step is crucial. It helps maintain the beauty of your work, defending against wear and tear over time. With your unique furniture piece complete, you've not only added a functional element to your space but also showcased your creativity and dedication to craftsmanship. Enjoy the satisfaction of your handiwork, and let it elevate your living area. Final thoughts and encouragement. So, there you have it. For sustainable wood projects that enrich your home while caring for the environment. Remember, every piece you create is not just about beauty, it's about making choices that reflect your values. Switch to a shot of finished projects with a serene background. I encourage you to experiment with these ideas and add your personal touch. Each project can be uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these sustainable wood projects, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more creative inspiration and tips. We're all about crafting with intention, so join our community. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.